Hi, my name is Joe Cochran, founder of ComfortTac and designer of the Ultimate Belly Band Holster. In this video, I want to show you how to draw and reholster when using the Ultimate Belly Band Holster. So my carry position is here, and you'll see here I'm wearing my Glock 26, and it's basically positioned right over my hip as if I would wear a traditional OWB or IWB holster. And then on my opposite offhand, I've got a spare magazine pouch. This is our movable spare magazine pouch. You can position it anywhere on the band. So I held mine by my offhand, a little bit off behind the hip, just slightly to help with concealment. So again, here's concealed, here's the positions. So to draw your gun from the belly band holster, you'll take your offhand, in this case it's my left hand because I'm a right-handed shooter. I'll clear my shirt with my offhand, pop the retention strap, and then drive my draw hand into the grip, draw, and bring the gun into my work zone. To reholster, I simply clear my shirt and I lift the retention strap with my offhand. I'll pin the retention strap to my body with my right hand, my shooting hand. I'll clear the holster so that it's open so the gun can slide in, and I'll drive the gun into the holster, reconnect the retention strap. So a little smoother this time. There's the draw. There's the reholster. There's your draw. There's your reholster. There's your draw. Bang, bang, bang. I need to reload. Pull the gun into my work zone. Drop the mag from my opposite hand. Clear my garment. Pop my retention strap. When I draw indexing my finger on the mag. Hit the gun sideways. That way I can tell exactly where to go with it. And I carry the 15 round mag as a backup. Back in. So that's how you draw and reholster with the Ultimate Belly Band Holster. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit ComfortTac.com. I'm Joe, thanks for watching.